Have a good day to all friends, followers, listeners, over you all. Hope all will be fine doing very awesome trading. Today gonna show you an awesome strategy which is about all volatility indexes. Okay, you can use on any index. Just need to deposit $50. Okay, $50 account. This is my commission account, so I receive daily basis commission here from binary.com. So let's see, we're gonna test this strategy. So let's set up the strategy first of all. What's this strategy? This is based on Bollinger Band and also moving average and indicator window one is stochastic, accelerator and MACD. So how this strategy is gonna work for you, I'm going to explain this strategy. So you guys need to set up this strategy as I told in this video. Follow the instruction and make more pips using this strategy. This really very easy, awesome and helpful strategy. So let's get started and set up the strategy. So first of all, let's click on indicator section, click on a moving average. Okay, the first moving average you wish to add is 13 period simple. Apply to close, choose any color you like, simple, click on done. And next one will be moving average 48 period. Method will be simple, apply to close, simply click on done. And let's go for one more indicator is a Bollinger Band. Okay, set to default, apply to low, choose any pixel you like, simply click on done. Okay guys, so now let's set up the indicator MACD. Set to is 7 9 7. Apply to low. Okay, choose any color you like. Okay guys, 2 pixel and click on done. A stochastic, here will be the stochastic accelerator. So let's go for a stochastic accelerator 953. Here is 9, here is 5. Apply to close, simple and done. Here is our strategy set up successfully. Now let's see how to milk. So at this point, look, once that moving averages cross each other and also cross the middle Bollinger Band and they start going upward, it's a position buy. You need to confirm from upward MACD and upward stochastic. Okay guys, so when you see stochastic showing upward and MACD showing upward and moving averages crossing each other in upward direction and also crossing the middle Bollinger Band, it's time to enter a trade for scalping. And same for sell. Look here, moving averages crossing each other and also Bollinger Band and MACD also giving the signal of sell and going downward, and also the stochastic provide the signal of downward, so it's time to sell. Okay guys, if you kill a spike, just simply go an M1 time frame and use on M5 for scalping. Okay guys, look at these points and look at these points. Okay guys, so let's find the signal, and this is for all binary indexes. Okay, don't limit the strategy. Okay, use on M5 time frame. Look here, a sell direction is open here, a middle Bollinger Band crossing middle Bollinger Band, and also make this showing downward. Okay guys, the stochastic is showing upward. Okay, and no signal. Go to M5. Let's find the signal on volatility. 101S index is showing upward. Okay guys, but the stochastic have no confirmation, is oversold. So let's go and check for a new signal somewhere. with 10-1 index. Buy is finished. 25-1 index. So let's find the signal. Gonna look here. There's also in a buy, but stochastic have no signal yet. So let's check for one more index, 51 index. So let's see signal here. The MACD and the stochastic is in 50 area, so there is no position. Check volatility 10 index is showing upward, but stochastic is at oversold. There is no entry. 25. There is no entry. Let's go for 75-1 index. Stochastic has no entry. The buy is just finished. A market is at oversold level. So let's go for volatility 100 index. A bullish, no, and 5 time frame. Bullish signal, but stochastic is at oversold level. It's not a good time to enter trade. Okay, so we're gonna check one more index, 101 index. Let's see. Stochastic downward, and this one downward, and also the sell signal. So let's go for a sell. Okay guys, so this is the strategy, how to set up, how to milk the market using this strategy. Simply follow the instruction as given in the video and make awesome pips using this strategy. Okay guys, I hope you guys will enjoy this strategy and make awesome pips. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Have a good day and milk using this strategy as I told you. Look here, a sell signal and place the sell trade. Okay, and running here step index. Okay, and make profit. Okay guys, it's very easy and very awesome strategy. You just need to follow the instructions and place the trade and milk the binary.com. Okay guys, here is still running in profit. I will close once I have 50 cents. Okay, here is the 50 cents profit. Okay, it's still running down, and 60 cents we booked. Okay guys.